The word muttaqeen. The word muttaqeen, which we hear all the time, we should have taqwa, we should have taqwa, comes from the word wiqaya, as you might know. Wiqaya means to protect. Waqayaqi, we use this, a derivative of this word, we use this in the dua. Waqina adab an-nar. It's from the same word as taqwa. Qina adab an-nar, protect us from the punishment of the fire. That's what it means. Like Allah says, Qu anfusakum wa ahlikum nara. Protect yourselves and your families from the fire. Ittaqa, or a muttaqi, is someone who protects themselves. So if you go home and you lock the door, when you walk in, you lock the door behind you, you just did a little bit of taqwa. That's a little bit of, because you protected yourself. So sometimes we translate taqwa as the fear of Allah. Actually, fear is khawf in Arabic, khashya in Arabic, wajal in Arabic. There are lots of words in Arabic for fear. Taqwa is not one of them. Taqwa actually means when you protect yourself, when you take precautions. Like when somebody goes to Hajj, Allah says, وَتَزَوَّدُوا فَإِنَّ خَيْرَ الزَّادِ التَّقْوَى. Go make sure you pack enough things to take with you, because the best, the best provision is precaution, to protect yourself. So that it has a material meaning too. Now what does this do in this ayah? This ayah is saying the people that protected themselves, that were on guard, so they saw themselves going into a behavior that's becoming an addiction, and they said, I need to protect myself. Then they saw some company, when they're in that company, they start going into some kind of khawd. Oh no, I need to protect myself. So they were constantly protecting themselves, cutting themselves off from opportunities to slip up that are all around us. They're around you, they're around me. Nobody's safe. Nobody's safe. And by using the word al-muttaqeen, it's like someone who's always careful. They're never relaxed. They're always on guard. They know that I can slip. So Allah says, إِنَّ الْمُتَّقِينَ فِي جَنَّاتٍ وَنَعِيمٍ. And so I leave you with this gift from Allah Azza wa Jal. Okay, we have to live carefully now, and I have to constantly mind myself, and I'll mess up, I'll slip, I'll make a mistake, then I have to get back and get careful again. Then I'll flip again. It's a constant struggle. I have to keep doing it, and keep doing it. And at the end, Allah says, فِي جَنَّاتٍ وَنَعِيمٍ. When you get there, you people, you get gardens, but more importantly, you get na'im. And na'im comes from nu'uma, which means softness, and also means relaxation. They finally they don't have to have any taqwa now. They don't have to be careful now. They can just, I can relax. So what does Allah do? Allah shows us two pictures. There's a person who's in na'im right now. فِي خَوْضٍ يَلْعَبُونَ. They're just playing around, relaxed. They don't care. They're chilling, right? And then there's the people of taqwa who will get to relax later on. You decide which one. You will get to relax. You can relax now, or you can relax later. You can relax temporarily now and then be in a lot of trouble later, or you can be extra careful and protect yourself right now and then relax forever later. That's a choice humanity has to make. That's a choice you and I have to make. May Allah Azza wa Jal protect us from any form of khawd that takes us away from the truth and makes us from the mukaththibin. May Allah Azza wa Jal make us a people of taqwa that are going to be entered by Allah's rahmah into His jannat and into na'im. بارك الله لي ولكم في القرآن الحكيم ونفعني وإياكم بالآيات والذكر الحكيم. I hope you guys enjoyed that video.